Never trust an atom. They make up everything. Sorry I'm not here with you. There's complications, but you're pressing on without me. We're together in digital format. Welcome, welcome. We're out of 3-7 problem solving with Venn diagrams and trying to find that midpoint for your warm-up. So pause me and go. All right, so for the midpoint, you find the average of the x's and the average. So finding the average of the x's, you average the x's. Surprise, surprise. So you'd say the x coordinate of that point is really 6 plus -4, or whatever order you like. It doesn't really matter when you're averaging. That's 2 over 2, so that's 1. And on this side, we do the same thing. The y's, the average of the y's is add up the y values. -2 plus 3. Actually, let's do them in order so you can see. I did this one first and then this. So here, so I'm going to do the same thing just for good practice. So it'll be 3 plus -2 over 2, which is 1/2. So this coordinate is 1, 1/2, and that's the midpoint. Neat. All right, no homework questions. Great. I'll show you this another time, but there was a question about is the empty set part of this set? We'll get to it next time I see you. Okay, this is what I want to do with you today. Today's lesson, division. We have a Math Ninja Club. That's where that came from. And we have asking some information about this. Now, this is what I want you to be able to do. This is kind of like the 5-6 of the whole thing. Can you take a situation, build a Venn diagram, and then use it to solve some problems? Cool. So I'll walk through this one with you, and then we'll look at something a little more intricate. So Math Ninja Club has 42 members. So this many have fair hair, this many have blue eyes, and get your face out of there, Berkevich. 22 have neither fair hair nor blue eyes, so neither nor. It's really tempting to be like, oh, 13 F fair hair, and so this is, but this is 13, this whole thing, right? So A and B added up is 13, so you can't put 13 right there, right? So I might just for a moment put it outside by F, so I know that in the green circle there's 13. Likewise, I really want to just put 15 in the blue eyes. I want to put 15 there, but that's not true because this and this have to be 15, right? So I'm going to put 15 over here just temporarily to remind me that in total, in that purple circle, there's 15. Now, the thing that they told us that I can actually use, is A, 42 are in total. And they also said 22 have neither. So I think this is 22 outside. And that's helpful because of this. Let's move this out of here. Let's move this out of here. That's helpful because if 22 play neither, then how many do you think are going to have to be in here? It's the rest, right? There's 42 people in the Math Ninja Club. 22 of them don't fit either of these descriptions. So what's left over is what's inside. And so if you say 42 minus the 22, those who are not this or both, the leftovers is 20. That means that in this blue double circle have to be 20. That means that A and B and C, sorry about my slow drawing with my finger, better than the other finger, those added up have to be 20. Okay, now here's the deal. It looks like if you added 15 in this circle, 13 in that circle, if we added those up, that's 28. Right? Like there's 28 in these two circles. However, I know that there can only be 20 in those circles. And so the difference of those two, we have 8 people double counted. right? And those 8 people are right here. So, run back through that. I know 22 are not part of the circles. I know there's 42 in total. So, subtract those. 20 have to be the circles added up, A plus B plus C. I know it looks like from here you have 28 people that are supposed to be in F and B, which means that we're over by 28 minus 20. So that means there's 8 in total in there. Now we're getting somewhere because here, this was supposed to be 13 in total. So if you subtract, you can see what's left over. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so 5. And then also in this other circle, where is it? 15. This circle was supposed to be 15, so this has to be 7 left over. Neat. So this should look like that. And now we can actually use our, don't look, avert your eyes. We can actually use our Venn diagram. All right, I guess it looked like that. Oh, there's a baby. So great, that's the same thing we had back there. So this was 7. Now we can use it like this. We want to find the number of members with fair hair or blue eyes. So these are the fair hairs. Wow. These are the fair hairs. These are the blue eyes. These are the both. And so fair hair is fine, blue eyes are fine, and also both is fine. So we want all of those. So that sounds like 20. Cool. And then this part says fair hair but not blue eyes. So let's see. We want these. These are all fair hairs, except we don't want this blue eye part. So I think this is just 5. So 20 and 5. That's on my guess. That's on my guess. Where is it? Where is it? All right. 20. Great. Great. Make sure you know how to write these in that notation as well. Cool? Great. So that's a 5-6. That's a 5-6. If you can do that, I'm happy with it. The hardest part is putting this together. So when you work on your home learning, that's the skill that I want you to be able to work on. This is pretty easy. Reading the graph, reading a Venn diagram, you're already good at that. This is a triple Venn diagram. This is a 7-8. We will only give you triple Venn diagrams on 7/8. So let me walk you through this one. And even if you're not shooting for 7 and 8, this will help you see a little bit better how to aim for those 5-6s. So football teams training on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So here's the Tuesday team, the Wednesday, the Friday. There's 40 players. Get your head out of there, Brooke Cabbage. 40 players in the squad, and so there's in total, I would say the universal set is 40, which is good. It looks like a 6. That's not good. They said 21 attend on Tuesdays. So this is 21. I might write that just outside. We'll have to erase it later, but that's okay. 25, this is 21. 25 attend training on Wednesdays. So this whole thing is 25. So I might put that outside. And, we did read purple. And 24 attended on Friday. So 24. So out there. That's all of these. Those. Cool. Great. They said 11 players attend here on these 2 days, 15 attend on here and here, and then this is the part that is helpful, I think. 6 players attended in all 3 settings. So I think that's our 6. So far, so good. Now, they jump in and start talking about all sorts of, let's get some orange or something. They said 11 players did Tuesday and Wednesday. So this group is kind of Tuesday. These did just Tuesday. These did just Wednesday. So actually this Tuesday and Wednesday, this and, is right here. This is the group that did Tuesday and Wednesday. This group happened to have done Friday also. So this is Tuesday and Wednesday, and they said in there. So if 11 players are in there and 6 are already accounted for, oh, that's got to be 5. You see where I'm going with this? Okay, let's keep going then. Boom, let's do, I don't know, green. 15 attended Wednesday and Friday. 15 attended, here's Wednesday and Friday, and, right, 15 attended Wednesday and Friday. That was 15. If 6 are already counted, then we have, what, 9 left over there? Great. Play that same game with the last one. I'm running out of color options. I'm not great with color options. Dark red. 4 here's Tuesday and Friday. 14 were there. So 8. Great. So this has to be 8. Now we got ourselves a ball game because this has to be 21 in total. And right now we have 11. We have, so this should be, we have 11. We have 19. So 2. All right. 20, that should be 21. That was 21 in that whole circle. So there's 11, 19. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to get rid of this 21 because I think we're good. And then 20, this 25, I know in here, there's 25. Here's 15 and 5 more. That's 20. We need 25 in total, so that one has to be 5. Money. And last but certainly not least, well, it's not last. This has to be, 24. I erased part of it. And so that's what, 15, 23. So that's that 1. Is that 1? Oh, erase my 24 again. So there's 10. Yeah, I think so. All right. Good. So far, so good, except we're missing one piece, and that's this. Oh, let's get rid of this 24 and 25. There's this H outside, those that didn't come Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday. And if you sum these up, there's 15, here's 20, 25, 31. Is that 9? Let me see if maybe I added wrong. Oh, B962. That's great. I like that. Where else do we go? Moving forward. 255981. 255. Yeah, I think that's what we got. Oh, 4. How did I miss 4? I added wrong. Sorry. Stuff going on. Great. So now that we have that, they want to ask some questions, like how many players are attending training on just Wednesday? Well, now it's easy to pick. So it's 5. That's 5, right? On Friday, but not Tuesday. So Friday, but not Tuesday. Here's Friday. And I don't really care if they came Wednesday. I just want them not to come Tuesday. Right? So I don't want these. So I think just 10. One person came just Friday. 9 people came Wednesday and Friday. Ooh, and exactly 2 of the days. Not 3 of the days. So we don't want just 1 day. We don't want all 3 days. We don't want no days. We want 2 of the days. So you'd sum those up. Cool. So let's check that out and make sure that's legit. Great. Okay, so that's the game. That's a 7 and 8, which is like really attainable. Like that's going to be a 7 and 8 on the test. Maybe not those numbers, but that's the whole idea, right? We'll give you basically that idea. Just because there's a lot going on, it's kind of challenging. Cool. So there's a practice problem set for you, and yeah, give that a shot, and I will see you when I'm in next. Send me an email if you need a hand with something, but the hardest part is translating, so do spend some time translating. So yeah. It's a baby. Oh, we love math. Augustine, math. Math, Augustine. What do you think? You sleep through it just like my students? Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh. No, you can't do calculus yet. You have to learn how to eat solid food. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.